So I had this idea that I want to become Aaron Carter. And like, I don't own a chain, so this is what we got going on. Also, Aaron, if you want to send me a chain, P.O. Box 1618, ROGOJO, Carmen, Manitoba, bitch. If you've been following Aaron in the media lately, you know that he's added something to himself that I think just like really defines him as a person, and it's this. I just feel like I want this on me, and I feel like now's the appropriate time to do it because it's Halloween. So today we're gonna be becoming Aaron Carter. Oh my god. Okay. Aaron's the biggest thing right now. He's the biggest thing in music right now. He's the most Googled person right now. I'm a fan. I hope you're a fan. Let's turn into Aaron Carter. We also got a cat, so Aaron, I hope you like some puss. So this tattoo is inspired by Rihanna as Medusa, and I feel like that's just right up my alley. And then he also has love underneath his eye. I think this is a great tattoo, and I love it so much I want it on me. Do I want it on me? I don't know. Okay, let's put it on. I've pinned back my hair over here, and this is where we're going to be putting our Medusa. I should almost like create a Medusa that like looks like Aaron Carter on me, so I look like Aaron Carter, but I have Aaron Carter on me instead of Rihanna. Whoa. Well, let's start my playlist and let's get going. Now this is a tricky part because he has it written backwards. God damn it, Aaron. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like a badass already. Hot damn. Okay, let's go Rihanna. Yes. Okay, so I've done like the outlining. I think now I'm gonna go in with shading, and then we can highlight. I want this hair to be like popping though. I want like more Medusa-y. I don't know what this one is here. I don't know what that is. Sick. So I did some shading, I did some other stuff. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of a lighter shade, just a highlight. I have this Makeup Forever thing here. I also have a little NYX pencil. So I'm gonna go in and add the highlights in. I feel sick. I feel like I want a face tat. Is this not awesome? I feel like I was badass. I feel like that was meant to be. Yes, love it. What do you guys think? Do you like my Erin Carter sweet tat? I'm wearing this to the grocery store. I hope you know I'm wearing this to the grocery store. Okay. I'm adding in some just darkness now, just to reinstate some of those lines. I think I might have blended a little bit too much, but you know what? I'm living for this. What do you guys think? Do you like my tattoo? I think I love it. My Erin Carter now. I look sick. Yes, now I know why he got this. Ooh, yes, I love this. Erin, you were onto something. Yes, yes, Erin, yes, Rihanna, yes, Bailey, triple, yes, oh my god. Wow, I'm actually kind of like surprised that I did so well, but then also like I didn't do very well. Like, what are these flames? Like, what is this? I'm really not sure what this exactly is. Is it flames? It's flames. It's flames. These are flames. They're not flames, they're flames. Whoa, sick tack, bro. In all honesty, like, I love Erin Carter. I watch everything he does. I watch all of his lives. I do everything. I love him. Erin, I love you. Send me a chain. And now I am him. Like, hello, this is my Halloween costume. Yeah, I love this. What do you guys think? Should I get a face tat? Wow, my mom would kill me. This is insane. I wonder like what the healing process of this is, because I've only gotten tattoos like not on my face. So I wonder what that is like. Yeah. How does he always pose? Like, he poses like this or something. Hair. How does Erin pose? Pose like this in the mirror. Yeah. Do I look badass? Look at all my fucking rings. Erin, send me some diamonds. I have none. Send me a diamond. God, send me an engagement ring. Yes. How you pose like this? Yes, queen. Yes, Erin. Yes. Ooh, yes, my chin acne. Get it in there. Love it. This is how you hide a double chin. You just so skinny. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Now I'm Erin Carter and I feel like a badass. I feel like I can go on any podcast and fucking put those bitches in place. I feel like I can do anything in the world. Yeah. Anyway, bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love doing this. This was so much fun. And I'll see you guys in my next one. But wait, how's it? Bye guys.